Now, coming to the current. Coming to the current, you are putting the switch, the current is passing through. Coming to the current. You might have studied that in science. What is current due to? Can you recall?
Flow of charge.
Correct? Exactly. Flow of, good, very good, simple. Flow of electrons. They give rise to a power, which we call current. If the electrons are not flowing, what? There is no current. Electrons are there, but no current. If they are not flowing. And you know, formerly, when the current was discovered, before the electron was discovered only in 1900. Before that, the current was discovered. Then people thought that current is a form of a liquid. They thought like that. It is a kind of a liquid flowing through the wire. But only in 1900, when Thomson discovered the electron, then they know that current is not a liquid. It is a power emerging out. It is a power that comes out due to the flow of electrons. Okay? Similarly, I also have three things. As a box, TV box, I have a body, which I can touch. I have a body. I have a wave system inside. I have also current, which I call biocurrent. Inside me there is a biocurrent. But this biocurrent is due to what? Electrical current is due to what? Electrical current is due to what? Flow of electrons. Here, the biocurrent in you or in me is emerging out of the flow of the fundamental particle. That's all. You know the fundamental particle? It is a flow of the fundamental particle brings out the biocurrent. You see, you go to the Google, you search, who discovered there is a air current in us. It was discovered only about 2000 years ago, not 200 years ago. There is air current, air flow. Only 500 years ago, it was discovered there is a circulation of blood. Prior to that, they did not know there is a circulation. If we just pinprick, blood will come out. But they did not have any idea of going in circulation. So you Google that, who discovered the blood circulation? It will tell you. Who discovered the air circulation? It will tell you. Who discovered the flow of the fundamental particles? Your Google will simply blink. You know why? You know why? Our biocurrent is an emerging phenomena because of the flow of fundamental particles is a definition given by Vedatri Maharishi. Recently. That is why your Google does not know that. You can just try that when you go home. You just Google it, who discovered the air current, it will tell you. Who discovered the blood circulation, it will tell you. Who discovered the flow of electrons, the biocurrent, it will not. That is the greatness of Vedatri Maharishi. He defined the biocurrent in parallel to the science, that it is the flow of the fundamental particles. That is a biocurrent. But there is a lot of difference between what? The biocurrent and the electrical current. Right? There's a lot of difference.